Hi, I am Saran, CEO and founder of NextBrain, a digital transformation company. I am going to teach you about promotion of your e-commerce website. Like I would like to see 21 tips to promote your e-commerce website. One, you need to spend time onto Curo.com. Like if you go to Curo.com, there are many people will be asking a question about best stores for footwears in Toronto or best grocery stores in Toronto, etc. So what you have to do, like you need to go to Curo.com and browse about related questions which is related to your store or your products, and you able to answer to them, and you can have the link where they will once you have given the link to that particular answer, it will be having the possibility where they will be coming to your website and browse your product and they are able to place an order. So it's the Curo.com will help you especially to bring the visitors as much as possible. Obviously the visitors might become your customer. So I would suggest the first option is Curo.com because it's working for us. Like almost I can say like 10 to 15% of our visitors coming from Curo.com. Since we are a web and mobile app development company and a digital marketing company, like we never spend any single dollar into adverts, since almost all our leads comes from organic. So I would say, as I told, like minimum we are getting 10 to 15% of our visitors from Curo. So it's a matter of like how frequently you are answering into Curo.com, and try to spend as much as time into Curo, at least like 10 to 15 minutes per day. It will help you to bring X percentage of visitors to your website. And the next thing I would like to say about Medium. Medium is one of great platform for article submission, where you can go to medium.com and you can see here like Instacart is one of the best e-commerce grocery ordering in US and Canada. Like they are publishing the article about their news or their offering or blah blah. So what you have to do, like go to medium.com and create your account and start publishing article about your product. Like you can say about new offers which you are offering into your store, or you can share about your customer testimonials, or you can share about your products which is available recently. And of course, like you can write anything about your activities into Medium, and ensure you are generating a backlink to your website, so which will bring people from this platform to your website. And obviously like it has a lot of usage, like it's not like a simple website, it's not like another website to bring the traffic. Medium is playing one of important role into converting users from their website to customer websites. So let's have a try. And next one, let's have a blog module into your website, where you need to spend more time into blog. At least I would suggest to have a minimum 2 to 3 blog per day. Sorry, you can have a 2 to 3 blog per week, which means like your website will be keep updated with regular content, so where Google search engine will crawl to your website based on the new data updates. And of course, like as even your customers can keep viewing your blogs or activities, and it will help you to make those visitors into customer. And very important, like you need to focus on email marketing. Like you should have newsletter option in your website or wherever, even it might be in blog or it might be directly into your website. Try to grab the email ID as much as possible, so and ensure you are following the proper legal terms whenever you are sending a newsletter. And so at least I would recommend you to have one minimum newsletter per week, or if you don't have time, at least you can send a one newsletter per month. So like people will be getting aware about your offers or product which you are and obviously your activities will be updated to them. So it will make a very good customer engagement, like people will check the newsletter, and obviously they will come to your website, and they will browse the activities, and there is a more chance to getting an order. So I would recommend to have email marketing is one of the best option. And of course, like once you launch your online e-commerce store, right, the first thing you have to do is you need to share with your friends and family. You can share your website, hey dear, please, I have launched my website. What you can do, just please check and give me your feedback. And if you have any needs, and of course you can place the order into your online, my online store itself. So what they will do, like they will check and they can share your feedback, and obviously your brand will be going to set up in their mind. So whenever they have some needs, and they will be coming to your website and placing an order. Not only them, and obviously they will share with their family and their friends. So somehow the broadcast, the data, the branding will be living to the people around them. So of course you can share the website URL, might be in WhatsApp or Facebook, or even you can call them and say, hey, I have launched my website, do you have some times to look up? And of course, like if they are interested, they say yes, then you can set up a call and discuss about it. And the next important thing I would say, like SEO, search engine optimization. Like to build a SEO, what you have to do, like so either you can learn if you have time. I don't think, obviously I don't recommend you to learn the SEO and work on it. At least you can hire one SEO expert, or you can hire some digital marketing team. So what you can do, like in SEO there are so many processes. Like first you need to build your website with SEO standard, like which on-page optimization. Like you have to follow the SEO rule. Like for example, you have to set up proper meta tags, keywords, and the content should be written as per the target keywords and your audience, and the image should have a proper alt tag. For example, you are adding a product image, like the product image alt tag should be relevant to product name, and obviously performance is a key factor, and there are a lot of facts beyond this SEO process. So, and of course, like SEO won't bring you result from the day one. What you have to do, like it will take at least 3 to 6 months based on your competition, based on your competition which you are targeting in location, and which is your product. For example, if there is no competition, even you can see very good organic traffic in oddly in 1 or 2 months itself. But normally I would say it will take 6 months. So that is a very common. Like as I told, like we are getting a minimum 10 leads per day. All our 10 leads are coming from purely due to with SEO activities. We never do any Google ads or Facebook ads, no anything. Like if you make a proper investment into SEO, and it will help you a lot in terms of long-term goal. And the next one is social media marketing. And of course, like every brand, they spend more time. They spend more time and money into social media nowadays. Example, if you check any Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest or even Twitter, especially if you take a Facebook and Instagram, people like brands who are as a store, they are spending more time into those platforms. Like you can see a sponsored post, which is they are spending money and bringing their brand in front of users' face. So this is how, like what you have to do, like in social media. First, you can set up your brand pages in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and even you can set up a Pinterest, since Pinterest will help you more in terms of sharing your product images. And especially Facebook, Instagram plays a key role for online store marketing. So what you have to do, like first set up your e-commerce, your brand page, and ensure you are updated all the cover images, logo, and obviously like proper URL of your website and contact information. Ensure there is some daily activities, and obviously you need to bring the audience. Like without audience updating the daily activities, it won't help you at all. So what I can suggest, like try to spend some money into bring the followers. Like once the followers comes, then let's take if you have a few thousands users following you into Facebook, then whenever you make a simple post or simple offer into Facebook page, it will reach those thousands of visitors. So there is a possibility like people will call you, or they might come to your website and chat you. They make a they first they become a visitor, and there is a chance to bring the sales from them. Apart from that, like apart from your brand page, what you can do, like as a personally, like you can share your website activities, like posting a new product or a new offer into your social media post. It will help you to reach all your friend circle. It's not just direct customers, like it's all your friends and family. Let's take, I have 5,000 friends in my Facebook network. If I share my new online store to them, at least I can get some 2,000 people visiting my website, which is a huge audience to me. And obviously there is a more chance to become a customer. And very important, what you have to do, like you need to join into groups like Facebook groups. Let's take if you want to sell food fairs, like what you have to do, you have to join into groups related to food fairs who are talking about. There are thousands of groups for each industry. So what you have to do, first join into groups, and obviously those groups will approve you. If they are not approving, it is like it may take some time. Once they approve, right? So what you can share, what you can do, like you can keep sharing your products into those groups. So audience will come from those groups as well as. And next option, the ninth one will be push notification. So what you can do, like you should have push notification widget into your website. Like people who are subscribe for the push notification, they will receive the push notification. So the push notifications are like making volunteer push engagement to them. For example, let's take AI, buy one and get one free today. So what you can do, just go to your backend, might be admin panel or your any other separate panel for your social engagement. So what you can do, just go to just create an engagement offer and push to the, send to them. So automatically it will be pushed to all your push notification subscriber. So they might come to your website and say, hey, there is an offer which is buy one and get one free. So this is how you need to engage your customers. Then next one will be local directory. So see, local presence is important. Like if I am sitting into Toronto, I want such stores into Vancouver. So what I have to do, like you need to make a local directory service. And like what you have to, there are so many local directories for website services. So what you can do, you can go to those website directories and submit like, hey, I am offering ABC, blah blah. So you can submit it. Even it will, Google will bring, crawl those website links, and it will help you to rank, and also as people will read those directory and they will come to your website. And very important for local search is Google My Businesses. So I hope you all know about it, how key important role which is playing into local search. So what you have to do, first go to Google My Business, create your business account. Let's set up like your store name and your products and your logo and your timing, everything. Then what you have to do, ensure you are adding all your products, because people when are searching with the product name, Google is finding whether those products are available with the Google businesses, and they are bringing as a top result by matching those products. And of course, like adding all your product into Google My Business will help you to come on top of the Google search engine. And of course, very important point is try to get the reviews as much as possible. So people will be seeing the reviews, and then they will define, hey, this brand is really amazing. So what they will do, they will it creates the feelings to place an order into your website. So once a customer is placed an order, what you can do, first send them a link and request them, hey, I hope you have enjoyed making making online shopping into our website, so could you able to make a review to us? Yes, obviously majority of people will show interest to make their review. Ask them to post the review, then it will help your new customers to come up and see the reviews. Then they feel happy, then they come to your website and become your customer. And the next point I would like to say about podcast. Podcast is improving nowadays. It's not so famous, but nowadays I would say it's getting improved. Like what you can do, you can create a podcast and you can share it into your website or blogs or your social media. Then people will listen and they might hear about your offers or products or your customer activities. Then they will come to your website. So what I can suggest, go to Anchor.fm, which is a free podcast platform. You can spend just 10 to 20 minutes to create one podcast and publish it. And a very important thing, like this platform, like Anchor.fm, is helping to distribute all your podcast to multiple channels like Spotify and Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and etc. So one single podcast will be distributed to multiple channels, which will bring the customers from all these different channels. And the next one is reviews. So reviews is very important in any business. It's not just only e-commerce business. It can be like anything. Like what you can do, like once a customer come, right, like they place the order, then somehow you need to get the review from them. Either it's negative or whatever bit. So negative review will help you to make a better business. Positive review will help you to bring a more sales, I would say. Like as much as possible, try to ask them to give a good review, so people can see the good reviews and then they make the decision and place an order into an e-commerce website. And of course, if you have some close customer or a repeat customer, what you can say, hey, if you don't mind, could you share a video testimonial? If they say yes, ask them to take a phone and ask them to give the review about your product and send the video to you. So you can publish those videos into your YouTube channel or Facebook or any other social media brands, and of course in your website. The videos are playing a key role nowadays, since like people are addicted to do watching the visual contents. I just seen somewhere like there are 500 million hours of videos are watching into YouTube every day. So it's not like a small thing. Like that's the reason. Somehow like try to get a video testimonial of customer. It will help you a lot in terms of sales. So the next one is, if you are interested to sell into some marketplace, try to pitch as well as, because like selling in your website and as well as selling in other marketplace like Amazon will increase your sales. Like there are if you take any e-commerce site, there is an API integration integrated with this marketplace, where one product can be synced with all your marketplaces. For example, if a customer places an order in your website, it will be synced. The inventory, the stock inventory will be updated into Amazon automatically. If something is placed, some order placed by Amazon, and it will be synced to your website. So try to ensure you have this functionality. In that case, it will be easy for you to manage, and it will increase you lot of businesses with the marketplaces. And obviously, you need to give the commission, or you need to pay for them. And as I told in my 13th point, let's build more videos about your product or customer testimonial and upload it to your YouTube channel. Like YouTube channels are, it's a very famous. Like I can see, like everyone is coming to YouTube and creating a channel, and they are distributing the content as they know. So it's not like olden days, like no, I'm very shy to make a video testimonial, or I'm very shy to be present into video. No, it's not. It's all like olden days. Now people are adapted to do videos like. Just they are taking their phone, like everyone has a very good phone nowadays, and they shoot, and they can start publishing it. So just try it out. And next one will be the guest blogging. So what you can do, like you can write a very good content about your product, and you can ask someone who is talking about your product to publish those blog, and they will be giving the link to your website, which is called a guest blogging. You need to request them, hey, I am giving a very good article content. So what you can do, you post it to your website, just make a one link. If they agreed, you can ask them to request a guest blogging, which is a very important, and even it plays a key role into SEO nowadays. And 17th will be networking events. Unfortunately, due to this corona, like there is no physical events at all. So what you can do, you can participate into online events, webinars, and of course, event is happening for everything. So try to find out online events which is relevant to your industry and participate, and talk about your story, your products, and your story like how many orders you are getting, how you are getting, blah blah. The branding will be reaching to everyone. And the next one will be the forums. Like see, forums are like everyone is discussing about their question and answers and solutions, etc. So what you can do, you can participate into forums which is relevant to only your brand, I mean your industry. It's not just a common technology forum. So what you can do, you can go and you can ask, for example, someone saying, hey, how much does it cost to have a branded shoe, something. So you can go and say that, hey, it will cost like ABC or something, and you can make a link over there. And the next one will be awards. Like whenever you have more awards, like people say, wow, your brand is amazing. So this is what, like you need to apply for awards in website. There are many people are offering awards, like you can check in your circle and try to apply some awards at least. So and ensure it's being badged with your website and social media. And the next one will be influencer marketing. Like see, influencer marketing is it's not like you cannot just go and do it directly. So first what you have to do, like you need to analyze who is fit for your product. Like let's take you are selling shoes or fitness related products. You can pitch an athlete. If you want to, I mean, suppose if you are selling food, you can try with some cook chefs. So this is how, like you need to decide who will be your influencer. Then you can approach them if they agree. Since influencer, like they are every influencer has lakhs of audience in online. If they say damn sure, like people are listening, and it's become a trendy in modern world now. Like so what you can do, like just approach the people who can make business to you, like, and approach them, and if they agree, you can of course, like you can handle all this conversation in offline, and you can promote it. And finally the 21 point will be adverts. Obviously you need money to do these adverts. So what you can do, like you can run adverts campaign with Google, Facebook and Instagram, and of course, like you have to spend more money into this adverts management. It's not like other parts, like other remaining 19 points are, it's almost you can do it in free of cost. You don't want to spend even a single rupee. But this 20 and the 21st point, even the 20th point, you can, if you approach some good influencer and you convince them to make some free ads, obviously they might be doing it. But the adverts, like nobody will do it to free of cost. You must spend more money on it. So what you can do, like instead of there are many ways to spend adverts campaign. So I would suggest to have obviously there are customers are coming to your website in some other channel as we discussed so far. What you can do, at least like in minimum case, what you can do the retargeting AdWords campaign, which means people, let's take I came to your website today and I gone, so I never done anything. If you make a retargeting AdWords in FB or Google or Instagram, whenever I access my Facebook app, and it will populate, I mean it will pop up you, it will pop up me about your brand. So I say, hey, I see this brand, so people might come and they might plus they might make an order. So so that is the minimum case. If you have money to spend, and of course like spend money into Facebook, Instagram and Google, it will help you to make very good sales from day one. So thank you for watching and listening to me. So if you have any comments, please share into commenting section. I am looking forward to have more videos in future. Thank you.